I'ma call this
It's the new version, y'all.
real rap,
Real rap, let's keep it going.
because this rap is real. You know?
Shout to Stand Up His
Hope you
Record.
ain't too tired to
Shout to
cry.
Music Man, Conrad and
I
Craig.
hope you know you ain't never too live to die. Listen. I grew up where the people calling people on us. Think we slinging, but we just got beepers on us. Grinding all day like we got sleeping songs.
DJ Thumber.
Living like the
Big
videos,
Mike.
right treatment on us. Stuck in the hood like they pour semen on us. Ghetto birds still shitting on us. Government still quitting on us. Lost a few homies, and the grief still sitting on us. So we got their names written on us. White folks still spitting on us. And them bitch ass police canines, teeth still gritting on us. But we smoke, ashes still getting on us. Older bitches still hitting on us. I remember well, Beezy roll a L. Beezy ain't here. Where's Beezy at? Beezy got killed.
Shout to First Base, Carolina, my man Jay White. Shout
Go
to
way
Philly.
back with my nigga, but I know that's how it happened, my nigga. Shit is much deeper than this rapping, my
My
nigga.
man Al Thrash.
But now they all rapping, my niggas. So now I must make it happen. So I'ma play the captain, sailboat flapping, my nigga. No fingers,
Shout my
I'm
man DJ
snapping.
Austin, get well,
Happy
big
for my
homie.
nigga Lil Tigers, cause even though we couldn't, the Lord saved them.
ATL
Last time
Urban
we
Mix.
seen him was when Katrina hated. Found his body like a month later. Rest
DJ
in peace,
Benson.
boy. He was an East boy, and so was Wesley West. He was a good
Castro,
nigga,
Houston, Texas.
so I know he blessed. And his daughter is a princess. This shit is harder than a bench press, but I'ma keep going. And I swear I got a lump in my throat, but I'ma keep on pumping the flow. So if I cry,
This is
don't
crazy.
stop the beat. I feel like my heart just stopped the beat. My nigga Lil Derek was quick to cop a key. Either that or load the gat and go pop a G. And because of that, he's just a name and a rhyme of mine. I pray his family and his mama's fine. So much shit just sit on this mind of mine. I think about it all the time. I drink about it all the time. I smoke back to back. Cause if my thoughts got to me, I'd be in this rap. I be in the can, thank God I had dreams of being the man. Yeah, and fuck a man with a badge, cause he ain't shit to a man on the edge. The 5-0 killed Naughty, good boy dead. Man, you would've thought they killed Cornbread. Shot him up face down on the lawn. Not to mention with his handcuffs on. Not to mention they had plain
Big Mike.
clothes on. And the complaint goes on, but nobody do nothing about it. The jailhouse and the morgue is too fucking crowded, and haters at an all-time high. Everybody gotta hate us like a fucking iPod. Shit, and they tried to burn my Phantom up, but I got my gun license. I got my hammers up, I'm ready to shoot like a camera. Stay
Shout my man
still,
Infant Delaware.
motherfucker. I might have to write my will this summer, cause if they don't kill me, I'ma kill this summer. Yeah. And you can put that on my late father, on my late grandmother, Miss Mercedes Carter, on my grandfather, Larry Balsock. The old man hustled till his heart stopped, and all I know of my real pops is that he had money. No bank account, that brown paper bag money. Yeah, he might hit me off for the little brag money, but the nigga still wouldn't be a dad for me. But look how it turned out, I hope he glad for me. But that's why when I see him, my ex mad funny, cause he's a joke to me. Don't message, don't call, don't talk to me. It's just me and my mama, how it's supposed to be. And I make sure she paid like she wrote for me. And I know she gets all hope from me. And I don't ever wanna see her mope for me. Hopefully, but truthfully, there is a date that's due for me. But we gon' pray that it's as far as the future sees. You are listening to the future we see ever, baby. Amen.
Shout my man Cleveland. City Music. Crisis, what up?